how to fix Steam is not launched. So here's one thing you could try. This worked for me sometimes before. It's not guaranteed, but of course it's still something you can go ahead and try. So first of all, you can go ahead to your search bar and your device and search for your task manager. What you're gonna do here is to search for your Steam process. So in my case, it's right here. It disappears, so you can just search for that manually. So you're gonna have to get rid of all of these and task to all these Steam options. Now, if you go ahead to your task manager and see that Steam is open, but you're not able to see the app anywhere in your device that for you to open, you're gonna have to end that task. So press an end task over here. Just choose all the Steam options. This one over here, just all of it. Also, this section over here, right click on that and just choose exit stream. So it's gonna do a little exit, but it's gonna disappear from your task manager. What you're gonna do now is just try running it as administrator this time. So do that and press on yes. So this usually works for some, and go ahead and try if it works for you. But hopefully it does, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.